What's up, fitness fam? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that's crucial for maximizing your gains: workout nutrition. You're hitting the gym hard, but are you fueling your body correctly to see the results you deserve? We're going to break down exactly what you should eat before, during, and after your training sessions to build muscle like a pro. Stick around, because this is the ultimate guide you've been waiting for. First up, the pre-workout meal. This is your energy primer. You want to eat this meal about 60 to 90 minutes before you train. The goal here is to top off your glycogen stores and provide a steady stream of energy to power through every single rep. So, what's the magic formula? It's a combination of complex carbohydrates and lean protein. For carbs, think slow-digesting sources. Oats, brown rice, sweet potatoes, or whole wheat bread are fantastic choices. These give you sustained energy without a sugar crash mid-workout. You'll want about 20 to 40 grams of carbs, depending on your body size and the intensity of your workout. Next, let's talk protein. Protein before a workout helps kickstart muscle protein synthesis and reduces muscle breakdown. You don't need a massive amount. About 20 to 30 grams will do the trick. Great sources include chicken breast, turkey, eggs or egg whites, Greek yogurt, or a scoop of whey protein. These are easily digestible and get those essential amino acids into your system. So, what does a perfect pre-workout meal look like? This could be a bowl of oatmeal with a scoop of protein powder mixed in and some berries on top. Or maybe some grilled chicken with a side of sweet potato. Another great option is a couple of scrambled eggs with a slice of whole wheat toast. Simple, effective, and delicious. One thing to avoid: high-fat or high-fiber foods right before training. They slow down digestion and can make you feel sluggish or bloated. We want to feel light, energized, and ready to crush it. All right, you're in the gym, you're halfway through a killer session, and you start to feel your energy dip. What do? This is where intra-workout nutrition comes in. Now, for most people training for under an hour, plain water is perfectly fine. Hydration is key. But if your workouts are longer than 90 minutes, or you're doing a particularly intense high-volume session, you might benefit from some intra-workout fuel. The goal during your workout is to maintain energy levels and hydration, and to reduce muscle breakdown. You need something that digests super fast. This is where simple carbohydrates come into play. We're talking about things like sports drinks, carb powders you can mix with water, or even some gummy bears. Yes, you heard that right. The simple sugars provide a quick source of glucose for your muscles. You might be thinking, won't sugar just make me crash? Not in this case. When you're training hard, your muscles are like sponges, soaking up that glucose for immediate fuel. It won't get stored as fat. It will be used to help you push through those last few sets. Aim for about 15 to 30 grams of fast-acting carbs per hour of intense training after the first hour. You can also add some branched-chain amino acids, or BCAAs, to your intra-workout drink. The three BCAAs, leucine, isoleucine, and valine, are crucial for muscle repair and can help reduce muscle soreness and fatigue during your workout. A scoop of BCAA powder mixed with your carb drink can be a game changer for those long, grueling sessions, helping you stay strong from start to finish. So, you've survived the workout. You're tired, you're sweaty, but you're feeling accomplished. The job isn't done yet. Now we enter the most critical window for recovery and growth: the post-workout phase. What you eat right after you train can make or break your muscle-building progress. Think of your muscles as a construction site. The workout was the demolition crew, and now it's time to send in the builders to repair and rebuild everything stronger than before. This post-workout meal has two primary objectives: to replenish the muscle glycogen you just burned, and to provide the protein needed to repair the muscle fibers you just broke down. The best time to have this meal is within 30 to 60 minutes after your workout. This period is often called the anabolic window, when your body is most receptive to nutrients. Your post-workout meal You want a combination of fast-digesting protein and simple carbohydrates. This is the one time of day where simple carbs are your best friend. Why? They cause a spike in insulin, and insulin acts like a key, unlocking your muscle cells to allow glucose and amino acids to rush in and start the recovery process immediately. So, how much do you need? A good rule of thumb is to aim for about 30 to 40 grams of high-quality protein and 50 to 80 grams of simple carbs. A whey protein isolate shake is one of the best and most convenient options for protein. It's absorbed incredibly fast. For carbs, you could mix a carb powder like dextrose or maltodextrin right into your shake, or you could eat something like white rice, white potatoes, or even rice cakes. Let's put it all together. A perfect post-workout recovery bomb could be a protein shake made with 1 or 2 scoops of whey protein and a banana, blended with water or milk. Or, if you prefer a solid meal, how about some grilled fish with a large portion of white jasmine rice, or lean ground turkey with baked white potatoes? These combinations provide the perfect 1-2 punch to stop muscle breakdown in its tracks and ignite the muscle-building process. Don't be afraid of these carbs. Your body will thank you for them. Let's do a quick recap of the perfect muscle-building nutrition plan. Before your workout, about an hour to 90 minutes out, have a meal with complex carbs and lean protein to fuel your performance. Think oatmeal and eggs. During long or intense workouts, sip on a drink with simple carbs and maybe some BCAAs to maintain energy and fight fatigue. And finally, within an hour after your workout, slam a meal with fast-digesting protein and simple carbs to kickstart recovery and muscle growth, like a whey protein shake with a banana or a meal of chicken and white rice. Following this simple yet powerful strategy will ensure you re-getting the absolute most out of every single training session. Remember, consistency is everything. It's not just about one perfect meal. It's about making this a consistent part of your routine. Nutrition is just as important as the weights you lift. You can have the best training program in the world, but without the right fuel, you're driving a Ferrari with an empty tank. Fuel your body, respect the process, and watch the gains follow. Thank you so much for watching today. I hope this guide helps you take your fitness journey to the next level. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And do we unforget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a new video. Drop a comment below with your go-to pre- or post-workout meal. I'd love to see what fuels you. Stay strong, and I'll see you in the next one.